Good morning, guys. Now let's have a look at the room where I stayed last night. This is the view from the 31st floor of my room. So this is a shared apartment where it comes with 2 BHK, a common hall, a TV, oven, refrigerator, washing machine, and separated into 2 rooms, A and B. I've been allocated the B room where I have a separate bathroom for me. I'm just gonna try opening the door here. Oops, just a sec. There you go, guys. This is the room, and you can see it is completely worth for the $1,000 we paid. Are you being serious right now? The temperature in this AC even goes to -6. Oh my god. So I just booked a grab from my stay place to the Kuala Lumpur Tower, which cost around just 8 RM, that is 8 ringgit. So I have decided not to go inside the Twin Towers because the cost is a bit high when comparatively to the Kuala Lumpur Tower. But instead, if you go to the Kuala Lumpur Tower, you will be given access to the petting zoo, and as well as you get a better view of the Twin Tower from the Kuala Lumpur Tower. Okay guys, so here we have arrived at the Kuala Lumpur Tower, and here is the view of the tower. So here I am to get the entry ticket for the KL Tower, and as well as they have a combo which comes with the mini zoo ticket as well as the KL Tower with Skydeck and the observation deck. So it cost of rupees 104. It cost of 104 ringgit. So now we are heading to the mini zoo, which is available at the basement of the KL Tower. So here is the entry ticket being checked, and you'll be given a badge as a token of entry. Let me go on with feeding the kids right now. Let's head to the next level of the zoo. We have entered the cage where we can feed the birds just with the food which the representative gives us. Okay, now let's go try feeding this bird, and here you go. Hey buddy, you want some? Uh-oh, okay. You want it? Okay, so that's the end of the zoo, and now we'll be heading to the KL Tower. So here is a queue for the lift to take us to the Skydeck. So we've reached the Skydeck, that is approximately 300 meters above the ground level. So here we are at the Skydeck. So the view, OMG. Can you guys have a breathtaking view here of the Kuala Lumpur city? The token to enter the skybox, and the maximum time given for a single person to be inside the skybox is 1 minute 40 seconds. You can take pics, videos, whatever you want, but the 1 minute 40 seconds is the maximum, and once it's done you have to get out and leave the way for the next people to get in. They also have a sky cafe, which is highly expensive. This is the primary skybox, where you can get the view of the Twin Towers as well as the whole city comparative to the other skybox which we viewed first. So after clicking sufficient amount of photos and videos, we're now heading to the observation deck. Let me try to show you guys the top of the Petaling towers using this microscopic lens. Just hang on a sec. I'm doing my best. And there you go. That is the best I could show you guys right now. So now we are heading to the famous shopping destination of Kuala Lumpur, Bukit Bintang. So here is the entrance for the Bukit Bintang, where we have a large variety of shopping mall. I have booked my grab. In the meanwhile, let me show you the street of Bukit Bintang, where you can find all this street shoppings, music, live music going on till the dawn, and all the cheap products of electronics and goods. So at last, here's my taxi, and now I'm heading to the Petaling street, shortly known as Chinatown. So we are inside the Petaling state, so where you can find all varieties of food, all cheap products of electronics, and all the football jerseys, shoes, and all the sports activities with keychains and all the moments you want to get to your friends and living outside Malaysia. So here's a shop where you can find all the branded products like Adidas, Nike, and all the football jerseys for a cheaper amount. So here's a light show which goes on from 8:30 p.m. of every day. I'm back at the Bukit because all the live music and the performances starts every day at 10 p.m. So that's it for today, and tomorrow morning we'll be exploring the Badu caves. Thank you and have a good night.